welcome to another YouTube video, guys, and another Adopt Me video. And guys, today I'm doing something different. I'm recording. I'll explain in the end. But main thing is, it's a new weather. Usually, I really don't care because I don't have Robux. But recently, it was my birthday, and it dropped out recently on my birthday. So we're actually gonna buy all the fun stuff, and also get 2 plantain. That sounds so cool and fun. And I really like birds. I really don't care what I get. But yeah, it's raining, so yeah, pretty long-awaited weather. Usually rain is pretty common, but like maybe not in Adopt Me. But you remember? Yeah, last time I was playing Adopt Me was like the Lunar New Year. But yeah, I'm playing Adopt Me again. But wow, this was like my first time actually doing that, going to this place. So never actually been here or checked it out. I don't know what the heck I'm saying, But where's the shop? Is it this way? No. Oh, there's a lighthouse. Wow, I really like the music. Very peaceful. All right, it definitely looks rain. Okay. 13 days. That's kind of crazy. Alright. I don't absolutely actually know that much of this. I think, I guess we can actually honestly check out the accessories shop. Let's check out the accessory shop. Wow, nice music. Rain stick, spy glass. Oh, that's adorable. How much is that? Alright, decent. Me with the coconut drinks, I'm gonna just buy 4 because I can. Anyways, me with the coconut drinks. That's something new. So yeah, I still have to crush them for the Fallout day. Wow, these are the ships. Nice. The gallon. Oh, Shelpa. Well, pretty nice. And I really like the gallon. It looks pretty cool. Anywho, let's check out where the pets are. This is the only last area, the only 3 shops, but it has to be here. Very tropical music. Wow. That's beautiful. Where's the green one? Oh, there's a green one. Diamond. Ooh, look at those diamonds. Alright, well, that's Captain Fluffy. I think you guys know what they're gonna say. Okay, Ocelot for 500. I'm getting it. I'm making a neon. That's a clue. Next time I'm doing an Adopt Me video next week, it's gonna be a neon video. That's your only clue. Wow, that's beautiful. Alright. Well, guys, I think we all know. So, guys, I'll be right back, and I'll get these 2 plantings. Alright, guys, I've got to the 2 plantains, or the plantons. Very nice. My first time actually doing anything with the weather update. So, yeah, I'll probably also make other videos for the weather. So, what's aim like? Right here. Let's see what I'm gonna get. Let's see what we're gonna get. Wow! Wow! I didn't get a green one. That's surprising. Very nice. I like the white one. Pretty pretty. And it's a legendary. Nice. And it's thirsty. Alright. Where is it? Okay. Here's my last golden plankton. I think they're right here. Like towards the beach. Let's see what I'm gonna get. Come on, green one. Nice, I got a green one. I got green and white one. That's pretty cool. Not diamond, but I got a legendary. And of course that's the ultra rare. I also like the green one. But I wish the green was a little like, you know, lighter, but like, it looks cool. But yeah, I always liked the Adopt Me parrots, and now we actually get like some type of looking parrot thing. I really like this one. This one looks cool. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me buying and opening golden plankton. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll catch you guys in another video. And yeah, bye bye.